Hola, mi amigos y amigos. I'm practicing Espanol.
Yes, she is.
Like, I'm trying really hard to practice it. Anyways,
We're back
We're
with
back.
the same puzzle. That's the first one, right?
it didn't go anywhere.
And by the way, we are the puzzle couple.
Oh, we are the puzzle couple.
We are today.
Wow, it's been so long since I've actually had to think about who we are
I know, right?
in an introduction.
Yeah, it's been a while. We have not been able to do a lot of this lately. So,
No.
but here we are, back again. Same puzzle, different time.
Mm-hmm.
And hopefully we get this one done with this one. And we don't have to do a 3.
It's funny because I was talking to the people who I think gave us this puzzle.
Mm-hmm.
They don't remember.
For
But
sure, yeah.
yeah, but they said that there was a Thomas Kinkade that they had opened up for 2 seconds and stuck it all back in the box. So they think that this is the one that they...
We're like, nope.
Yeah, they noped out of. They
Could be.
wanted nothing to do with this puzzle.
Yeah.
So we won't be giving it back to them.
No, but they'll be missing out. What can I say?
They're working on, like, puzzles that I think are a little bit harder.
Yeah. it
Can
might
you
be.
hear his little
Yeah,
squeaky?
he's playing with his little toy. It's like going, if I'm not going to be the center of attention, I will go make my own attention.
He will.
Yeah.
So, you guys, what is the hardest puzzle you've ever worked on?
Mm-hmm.
Is it a brand? Is it a artist? Is it,
What is it?
yeah, what is it? Because I hope we're not the only people who've
Struggle with
struggled.
this? Yeah. Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, and if you've done this puzzle before, which I'm sure there's plenty of people out there
Yeah.
that have, let us know. Tell us how you enjoyed it, or if it was a struggle for you too,
Yeah.
or what. So that's the thing with the Thomas Kinkade ones, is that the box itself is kind of bright and everything else, but when you're actually doing the puzzle, it's a lot darker pieces and
It
stuff. So
is.
it makes it a little more difficult, I think.
I do, yeah, because, like, the box
Yeah.
is so much lighter. Like, even, like, in this area is lighter.
Than
but
those little pieces of
yeah.
Yeah.
Because what we're actually working on itself is not
No.
light colors.
It's very dark color. So, which is not bad. It's just, it's not the box.
Yeah.
You're not getting the same picture as what's on the box.
Yeah, but now it's starting to come together.
It is.
So,
We
I
got
am
like the
proud.
upper part, if you don't remember from our last video, the upper part is getting pretty close to being done. It's that bottom section there, the road, and we got the sign done, but like the pumpkins and all the road there.
when he put together, he has like one, maybe 2 pumpkins that have the pieces coming together. I was so excited when he showed me it, and he stuck the little chunk in like onto the puzzle. I screamed, "It's a pumpkin!"
Yeah,
I love pumpkins.
she does.
So yay!
So anyhow, and I'm kind of wondering if we should maybe keep this one when we finally get it done. Put it in our little holder,
We'll have to put how long it took us.
right? Yeah, which is hours and
Hours, yeah.
Because we'll get like 1 or 2 pieces done in like 45 minutes. We'll
I
have 2
know.
pieces each or something.
Yeah.
It's kind of crazy. So
Will you, every time, like I'm trying to get the trees done,
Mm-hmm.
and I'll look, and he has, it just looks like pieces of it all
I think
together.
I think it's because of what I'm working on, like the fence and stuff like that, and the buildings
Mm-hmm.
kind of was one of those things that kind of get together really easy. So yeah. But
So yeah, you guys, this is a number 2 video of the exact same
puzzle. Yeah.
puzzle.
So thanks for joining us in the middle, and we will see you at the end.
And hopefully it'll be the real end,
Yeah.
not a part
Part 3.
3
Yeah.
end.
Hopefully. All right, guys. We'll talk to you at the end.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys. So we did it.
We
High
finally,
five.
we
Oh my
finally got
gosh.
it. There were 2 pieces missing if you didn't notice. The one extra piece. I wonder what that puzzle
Yeah.
it went to, which puzzle that went to. Probably not one we have.
It looked exactly like it belonged there,
Yeah.
but all the pieces fit just fine.
Just
so,
fine, yeah.
so either way, even if we did put a piece somewhere wrong, like if that were possible,
It all looked right.
Yeah, it all looked
So,
right.
yeah.
Everything fit around it. So how did that happen?
Right? Yeah, I think it was just a piece of puzzle that was not for that puzzle. So, but it was, oh my gosh, this one was hard to do. It was, as you can tell, it took us a long time. We had to split it into 2. We were almost thinking we were going to split it into 3. The way things were going, but we muddled through it.
Yeah, okay, so our internet went down. So we couldn't watch TV. So for like 5-6 hours straight, we just put all our effort into this little thing, and we were just
we got going.
We got it done.
Yeah.
We got her finished. But I don't think I've ever not liked a puzzle more than I did not like this one.
And the sad thing is, Thomas Kinkade puzzles are
pretty.
They're
so pretty.
They're just so dark compared to what you get on the box and what the puzzle actually is. They just get so dark, which makes it so hard to put together. So, yeah.
So, yes, you guys. Phew! And I mean it this time.
What do you guys think about Thomas Kinkade puzzles? Do you like them? Are they hard for you guys? Are they easy for you guys? So
yeah.
I don't know.
I don't either.
Are we just not all
slow.
there? Are we slow?
Yeah.
That could be what it is.
Yeah, we're probably just
we're just not. We're not the smartest cookies in the crumbles.
I know. I was thinking that when we were putting them in. Some people, like, how do they do this? They can do these within an hour.
Yeah.
Do they just visualize the
Yeah.
pieces and just see
Good
where they're
question.
going? The colors, the schemes of it
Yeah,
all.
how they do it.
Yeah.
I just know our next puzzle is going to be much easier.
Much easier.
much easier. At least actually maybe the next few puzzles might be much easier.
Yeah, we need a win. We need something that we can just like breeze through and
get a
be
couple
good.
of those through here.
Yeah.
So you guys might be seeing a bit of easy ones coming up.
Yeah.
But we'll get something really interesting and dark coming up.
I think all my Thomas Kinkade puzzles that I had recently bought, I gave over to the puzzle group to do.
Okay, so we don't have them right now.
We don't have them right now, but they will come back to
so
us.
at some point in time, we'll be doing another Thomas Kinkade.
Unless pieces are missing, and then they give them over to, I guess, like, the woman's name is Kelly. And so all I know is if there's a piece missing, it goes, the puzzle goes to Kelly.
Yeah.
So Kelly's name just floats around. I have no idea who Kelly is. I don't know anything about Kelly, but I'd like to meet this woman who puts puzzles together very, very quickly.
Yeah.
So, anyways, you guys, thank you for joining us for that long one.
And we will talk to you on
will.
the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye.